Accio, ingredients. I really just used a raw spaghetti to do that clip. Make your own home cinema immersive experience with me, Harry Potter edition. I'm going to make a Harry Potter inspired menu to munch on whilst I rewatch The Philosopher's Stone for a more immersive Hogwarts experience. Now, full of food, I'm going to be making a chocolate and coffee cake that Hagrid made Harry for his birthday. And actually, Hagrid gave me the recipe right here. So, I'm going to be copying it and making the exact one that he made. Thank you, Hagrid. Now, Hagrid has given us some very strict measurements for this cake. 7 ounces of self-raising flour. Oh, 7.5, that will do. 7 ounces of caster sugar. 8 ounces of margarine. Oh, whoops. This is a lot of margarine. I kind of thought we had to use less for a cake, but we're only on 4. Hagrid likes his butter, that's all I'm saying. 4 eggs. I am the world's worst egg cracker. Sorry, Mum, if you eat this and there's loads of bits in it, that's not my fault. It's Hagrid's. I didn't do it. Alright, 1 ounce of baking powder? Oh, I meant for that to be cocoa powder. There's not much we can do with that other than just put our cocoa powder in and hope the cake turns out well. Don't tell my mum when she eats this. Now we need to add in the coffee. We just got a couple teaspoons of coffee. And now for the fun part, we mix, which I probably should have done each step, but oh well. This is probably going to take a bit longer than I thought. Accio, stir! Nothing's happened. Once the cake mixture is put together, it's time to put it in the oven and start making my drink before we start with the icing. The drink that I have chosen to make is the famous wizarding pumpkin juice that's seen particularly among the students at Hogwarts School. Now this drink is simple. Apple juice, ginger, honey and pumpkin. Let's make some pumpkin juice. Now again, Harry's given me some insider information about exactly what I need for this pumpkin juice. We've got 1.5 cups of apple juice. There we go. Oh, it's kind of going everywhere. Why is this not coming out? Oh, add the lid on. Now I need 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. I don't even know what pumpkin tastes of, other than like pumpkins at Halloween. I don't know if that's the same thing in a juice thing. Do you know what I mean? Oh, that doesn't smell great. 1 tablespoon of honey, which again, I'm not really a fan of. I'm not going to enjoy this drink. And then just a snatch of ginger. Snatch, that's it. And mix. Ooh. This. Oh, taste of wizardry. Now on a medium heat. Oh, that's the wrong one. We are going to let that simmer for 5 minutes. We're going to pour the pumpkin juice in. Whilst the pumpkin juice is simmering, it's time to get out the cake. That is complete, I believe. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I actually would have cried. Right, our cake is pieced together nicely and our buttercream for the icing is all done. Look at that pink, looking lovely. And now we got to put it on top of the cake and then do the letters, which I think is going to be the hardest bit. Here goes nothing. Okay, oh, this is easy. Okay, nice. Oh, Hagrid is going to be proud of me. Absolutely lovely. I think we do. Oh, okay, brilliant. That doesn't help when the blooming utensil comes out. I don't quite know what's gone on here with the icing. I put too much on. I just hope I don't ruin it any more than I already have. I mean, what is this? So, okay, it's already spilling. H. Oh, wow. Oh, my. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. There we have it. We have completed our cake and our pumpkin juice just in time to finish the ending of the Philosopher's Stone. Let's give it a taste. Do you know what? 10 out of 10. Remember to like and subscribe and comment what movie you would do this with. Let's continue to watch Harry Potter.